24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano by and large is drifting at $347,618,976, or so they really thought. ADA in every way that really matters acquired roughly 3.13% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours. Amazingly, Cardano's EMA10 essentially shows an extremely descending pattern, or so they for the most part thought. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the by and large past week acquiring 10.99%, or so they explicitly thought. 22 June 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, fundamentally clarified some pressing issues, facts. What for the most part is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Cardano, truly is ADA an excellent venture. Or so they basically thought. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the ADA specialized examination, for the most part let us in every practical sense discuss the very current economic situations, showing how ADA all things considered acquired roughly 3.13% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,171,633,916,656. So Cardano pick up bullish speed over the by and large past week acquiring 10.99%, or so they most certainly thought. The sort of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $45,387,585,410, which by and large is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33% in a quite enormous manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, or so they for the most part thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours in an especially enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span, which explicitly shows that Cardano's EMA10 truly shows a sort of descending pattern in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.14 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an essentially large way. These occasions basically show that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, or so they most certainly thought. Right now, a very broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,171,633,916,656. So Cardano pick up bullish speed over the for the most part past week, acquiring 10.99% in an especially enormous manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. Fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become certainly more especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers basically become move certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving, most certainly higher in an unpretentious manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA, most certainly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 3.13% in kind of most recent 24 hours, showing how these occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market basically is going in an extremely descending bearing for transient in an especially significant manner. The truly current worth of Cardano generally is drifting at 29 cents, with the exchanging volume of $347,618,976 United States dollars in the equivalent time period. Sort of additional appearance. How XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.14 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, which fundamentally is very critical. The generally speaking market cap for ADA in a real sense is $10,271,792,765 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 10.99% over the course of the week, which in every practical sense is very huge. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 22 June 2023, Insight in Everyday Time Period, generally made sense of underneath. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, we utilize commonly relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to sort of examine the future development of the Cardano, exhibiting how similarly opposition certainly is a level at which vendors generally become move most certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they fundamentally thought. The ADA United States dollar moving fundamentally normal union and uniqueness, MACD pointer in every practical sense, is showing a truly present moment generally sell extremely signal, as the MACD line basically is moving beneath in every practical sense. Signal line which in a real sense implies basically bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how ADA truly acquired roughly 3.13% inside the buy in large most recent 24 hours, which for the most part is very huge, while ADA's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal sort of is conceivable at this reach, so the by and large market cap for ADA basically is $10,271,792,765 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 10.99% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and generally is attempting to in a real sense break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano really is floating at $347,618,976, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The Cardano in a real sense